Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. I like to call it a heist because they paid me. Yeah, this is $72.51 worth of goods. When it's all said and done, they paid me $5.98. And yes, that does include tax. So this is for the week of February 4th to February 10th. I'm going to be trying to do this. I'm going to be uploading a video on the first day of the sale. So please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off and do the deals right away. So I used manufacturer coupons, manufacturer printable coupons, I used digital coupons, I used store coupons, and I used ibotta. So I know I'm speaking fast, but all the details are, and the breakdown and the links to print the coupon are below the video. So let's get right into it. So first off, we got some Zinc, and as you can see, I stacked two coupons. I got a store coupon and I got a manufacturer printable. Store coupon came from the Best of You. Also got a the store coupon came from the Extra Savings. That's what store coupon came. Now, I also got some Rolaids. There's a limited 2 on this manufacturer printable. As I said, the links to print the coupons are below. There's also a store coupon, which came from this. Yes, that came from the Best of You. We also got Purex. These were BOGO, so there's a good deal on these. I used ibotta on this, as well as there was a manufacturer coupon in the January 31st, retail me not. Got some toothpaste here, that was from the PG. There it is, $3, limited 2 on that. Got this bad boy on clearance, $1.25. Used a $1.50 off coupon. That came from the 1-3 retail me not. Well, let's see where it is. Yeah, there it is. As well as there was an ibotta on that, so you got another 75. Publix digital coupon, that was free. This was a ibotta, so that was free. So we got these clean and clears, $1.99 with $2 off coupon. Best of You. So there is tax on this, so they're not completely free. They're 16 cents each. Allowed to get 8 of them. Got some Silk dairy-free yogurt. These are on sale for $1 off printable right there. This also was a Publix digital coupon. And of course, the reason I got paid in gas. I got $10 off of my $50 purchase. So this $50 gas card I got for $40, or I got $10 off of all this stuff, $50. So basically I got paid in gas. I guess this would have cost me around $34 for the $50 gas card. So I built up a couple of those. So once again, you know, I could have gotten more stuff, but my channel is getting paid to shop. You're gonna get paid. I'm getting paid every week. As you see, I've been uploading videos for 6 months now. Every week I'm showing how you are actually gonna leave the store upside down, where they're gonna actually pay you either with a gift card, a gas card, you know, money in your ibotta or whatever. So please subscribe to my channel. That funny looking guy right there, hit that subscribe button. Here's some more cool stuff right here. Once again, paid to shop.